Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you how to power off your Toto Washlet if you have one. I think most of them have a remote that kind of looks like this. So I just want to show you an easier way to do it instead of having to like unplug it all the time, which is kind of dumb and doesn't really make sense. So for our C5, if you look at the remote and you turn it around, there's a power button. But if you just push it, it doesn't do anything. So according to the manual, you actually have to press and hold it for 3 seconds to actually turn off the washlet. So if we do that, hold it for 3 seconds, then it turns off. So that's basically it. And then if you want to turn it back on, it's the same thing. Press and hold for 3 seconds, and then it turns back on. So that's just a way you can turn it on and off. The easier way to turn it off, or you can schedule it if you have like an Alexa plug or something like that. But that's how you do that. Pretty simple. Just want to show you how to do that because it was kind of hard to find in the manual. So anyways, hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.